Today, we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7403, which features a removable receiver on a BMW X5. If you enjoy this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for any future installs. Starting on the passenger side fender well, remove all the fasteners. Some of these are rivets which will need to be drilled out. Repeat on the driver's side. Remove the two screws on the lower portion of the bumper fascia. Gently pull back the fender trim. Remove the two screws located behind the trim panel. Reach behind the bumper and gently press the reflector, pushing it out of the socket to remove. Remove the screw located behind the reflector. Remove the taillight access panels and remove the screws holding the assemblies in place. Disconnect the wiring harness to completely remove. Take out the screws located on the bumper fascia. Pull off the bumper fascia by gently peeling the bumper away starting from fender well. Disconnect the rear backup sensor harness. Remove all the screws holding the black plastic panels to the vehicle. Unclip the plastic paneling that is above the bumper impact bar. Remove the 4 nuts on each side of the impact bar. Your impact bar can now be removed and discarded. Place your new EcoHitch onto the impact bar studs and replace the factory nuts. Torque down the hardware. Reinstall the bumper by following the previous steps in reverse. Replace the pop rivets removed in step 2 with the supplied push pins. Finally, you install the receiver adapter. Slide the adapter up into the hitch and secure with the supplied 5/8" bolt, lock washer, and flat washer. Your EcoHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.